Hello, welcome to the snake crib, and right now I'm gonna feed my snake again because it's time. And last time, that was my last rat, so I went to a nearby shop called Pets at Home. I got the wiener rats, and it's a little bit different to the ones that I got a gift from the owner of the snake. And yeah, today I'll be feeding my snake again, and I was going to take my lid off before I start this video. The snakes I do noticed that it was getting fed, so I was waiting for, well, because of most popular other YouTuber snakes channels and that, they're pretty much calm, but this one isn't. And I was trying to find out what type of snake, what type of ball python this was. And it's the spider ball python, and yeah, because I've seen it, like, literally its back end of its neck going up against the top of the cage, so that's what it is. It's a spider ball python, and right now it's literally looking at me, ready to be fed. So I'm gonna try and do this without being bitten. See, it's getting ready to strike. See? Look. See? Right, I'll see you in a bit. I am going through the top, but you can see the glare, you can see the snake, the ball python easily, and right, I'm going to take the top off right now and feed my snake. Here we go, ready? Ah, shit. Need to do that again. Ready? There we go. And that is a wiener rat from Pets at Home, and for 3 rats it was about £5 for 3 rats, £5.40 for 3 rats, and like, wow, that was a lot of money. So it's worth it because the snake needs feeding, and I cleaned it out today as well, so I waited for about 8 hours to feed it, so give it time to settle back in, and I hope you like this video, and hope you subscribe to my new channel, Sebastian the Constrictor, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.